I'm not ready to start the show yet.
You're not?
I'm not prepared.
All right.
So I thought maybe before we start the show, we could sing a song about beer.
I think that's a fabulous
You guys want to hear
idea.
a song? All right, this is a medley.
A medley.
Yeah, we're going to do the medley.
All right.
Oh, there she is. That's my mating call.
You got it?
Oh, there she is again.
There we go. There we go.
So this is a medley. We like to call it the sound of drinking. All
Yeah.
right, are you guys ready?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Oh, look at you, sassy biscuits. All right, here we go. Guinness is great and we love Lederhosen.
At times we like wine and some drinks that are frozen.
But Gold Pilsner, Stout, and Red, even the Queen.
These are a few of
Our favorite things. Hangovers, bite after bee stings. But that don't make us feel sad. We simply just wake up and keep on drinking. And then we don't feel so bad.
Joe, the stuff that buys my beer. Ray, the guy that pours my beer.
Hi, Ray.
Me, the wench that drinks my beer. Fall a long way to the beer. So I think I'll have a beer. La 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 beer.
Tea?
No thanks, I'll have a beer. That will bring us back to beer.
This is the song of a wench in need.
Yeah!
Beer, drink a beer, drink a beer.
Right here.
Fill up her mug with this much head, please. Beer, drink a beer, drink a beer.
Yeah.
Soon all the kegs will all be empty. She'll chug a beer, chug a beer.
Right here.
She'll chug a beer.
Or maybe 20.
She'll chug a beer, chug a beer. Chug, chug a beer. Chug a beer. Chug a beer. Chug a beer. Very nice. Izzy, what just? Wait! What happened? What happened?
I drank all my beer!
Yeah, I know. You chugged it. They loved it. It was a good thing. Izzy?
But I have no more beer.
What?
I don't have any more beer.
So what do you want?
Who's a good
my-
boy?
Come on, good boy. Come on, bring it to Izzy. Come bring it to Izzy. Come on, bring it to Izzy. Come on. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Bring it to Izzy. Come bring it to Izzy. Bring it to Izzy. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
I want to go home with him.
I know. He's a good one right
How
there.
old are you? 21. Thank God.
Oh, Blake.